So, black holes, right? Black holes are interesting because they started out as just a solution to astrophysics problems like 100 and something years ago, and they were entirely theoretical. They were the only explanation for a lot of the weird phenomena that we could see happening in the universe. And they were widely thought to not really exist in like the form that we imagine them. But now we have actually observed a bunch of black holes, most notably Messier 87. And that's fascinating because black holes are not just spheres of blackness, as their name implies. They glow, which doesn't make any sense, right? Because they trap all light inside them if it goes past the event horizon. How could they be so bright? Well, there's an astrophysical concept called an accretion disk, which is a disk of material that orbits around a central body. It's actually how the solar system formed. Earth formed out of the material from the accretion disk that was orbiting the young sun. And black holes have accretion disks too. But the thing is, to orbit near a black hole, you have to be going so unbelievably fast. And all of the material that's orbiting around this black hole bumps into itself at really, really high velocities, which produces a lot of friction, which then converts some of the matter into energy because of just because of how hot it is from all of that friction. And that is how they glow. And this process of the friction heating is actually way more efficient at converting matter into energy than stellar fusion, which means that the last creatures to live in the universe could possibly harvest this energy to live. So, like trillions of years into the future, after all of the stars have died, living things could persist around black holes, which is fascinating. These cosmic engines of death, the closest things that we have to actual Lovecraftian horrors in the real world, sustaining life for trillions of years into the future. That is insane. That's so cool.